Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is an easy, guilt-free, gluten-free and comforting breakfast banana and oats pancake. So all those who are concerned about their waistline, this recipe is for you. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, take 1 cup of oats and let's grind the oats in a mixer grinder. Let us grind the oats to form a fine flour-like texture. You can see that the oats is now ground to a fine flour and it's ready. So let's keep this aside. Take a bowl and to this add 2 small bananas. I have used slightly overripe bananas so that I don't have to use extra sugar for the pancake. Now mash the banana using a fork. If you want your banana to have a lumpy texture, just roughly mash it, do not overdo it. Our banana is done. Now let's add 3/4 cup of milk. I have used regular milk. You can replace it with almond milk or soy milk. The choice is yours. Add 1/4 cup of water. One tablespoon of melted butter. Again, you can replace it with vegetable oil or olive oil. Give it a rough mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give everything a quick mix. Now add the prepared oats flour. Combine the flour with the wet ingredients to form a thick batter. Apply some melted butter to a hot pan. Now pour a spoonful of batter to the pan. Slightly spread the batter to form a round shape. Let us cook the pancake on medium flame until bubbles are formed and slightly dry on the top. Now you can see that tiny bubbles are formed and the pancakes are slightly dry on the top. Let's flip the pancakes and cook for another 2 minutes. It has been over 2 minutes. Let us flip and see whether the pancakes are done. Yes, they are done. Let us take the pancakes out. Serve the pancakes with some seasonal fruits. I have baby mandarin, grapes and kiwi fruit over here. Drizzle some honey or maple syrup. It's your choice. I love this combination. There we go, our banana and oats pancake. Do try this recipe. This is a guilt-free, comforting treat for breakfast. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with a new Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye.